designed Red Swan and very proud of what we've done. And I want to show you exactly how to use our platform to be able to be successful in investing in commercial real estate. Let me start from the top. You log on to our site and you're going to see our, some of our projects we're highlighting. You see 3 properties right now. As a guest, you cannot go into the assets because they're protected, and we need to make sure we know who we're talking to. So you're going to have to log in. It's a rapid login. Basically, your name, your phone number, and your email address. They verify your phone number to make sure it's you, and then boom, you have access to our site. So once you get into the site, you will now see our marketplace. This is where we're going to have all the active projects that are going to the market on the top, so you don't have to scroll around looking for them. You'll have all the active opportunities right there in front of you. And then when you see an opportunity you like, you can just basically click that button that says more information, and now you'll see a little bit more detail of the asset. You can scroll up and down. It has all the information you need, financial statements, market information, demographic information, our PPM, our subscription agreement, all the documents you'll need in order to make a good investment and be informed in terms of due diligence will be there. You can scroll through lots of pictures. You can see market areas. So we want you to be fully aware and informed before you make an investment decision. That's because once we finalize the soft cap table and we move for putting on the market, at least you'll have an opportunity to reserve your space before the market gets a chance to start buying. So very important to express interest on every single opportunity. Once you do buy and you're now in the Red Swan exchange platform, you'll see, here's a screen that shows you exactly what your dashboard would look like. It'll let you see the number of shares that you currently have. It also has, critical information. It'll let you know about new documents that have been presented for properties that you have interest in. There'll be areas for voting. The shareholders need to vote. You're a shareholder, so you get a chance to vote. And there's also communication between yourself and the investment relationships department for that particular asset. So that's a screen that kind of gives you an idea of what you'll be looking at, and hopefully you'll have more and more properties or shares of properties on your dashboard to keep track of, and it's a great way to monitor your assets. By the way, we'll have quarterly NAV updates, which means we take financial statements and update the financial statements so you can see the new NAV every quarter, which is also a good tool for you. I'm giving you a view from our side, just so you can see how well we manage your assets. We manage all the investors on the cap table. So you'll see that you have all the various investments that we have here, all the investors and all their shares. It gives us a total. So I'm just showing you that we have the best minds working on this, and I think it's very important that it gives you that level of comfort. This also gives you, gives us a list on every asset. There's a list of the cap table, which is important. This shows how many investors are invested in the particular asset, and we're able to, trade between investors. We're able to have you tell us if you want to exit, and we now take your shares and put them on the secondary exchange. But it just gives you an idea of every property has a cap table, which allows them to know how many investors and how much they invested. And each investor has a wallet, and your assets, which are your digital shares, are actually stored in your wallet, which is also stored with our bank, which is at this point is Coinbase. So you're very secure, very safe. Like I said, when you're ready to sell your shares and you want to exit, you just let us know. We post this on our internal exchange, and now hundreds of thousands of investors who are accredited and members of our community get to see what you're selling. We think that's the best exit possible, better than any exchange, because this is where all the eyeballs are for buying commercial real estate. So here's what it looks like. And that's pretty much how you work the basics of Red Swan. It's very important that you do your due diligence. It's also very important that you express interest in the asset. And then when it goes to the market and you're able to buy, you know exactly what you want to buy, and you place your buy button, you put your funds into the account, and we're going to make it very easy, especially for you crypto owners that have wallets already. You can basically just buy a stable coin and then send your stable coin dollars to Red Swan's stablecoin account, and then we send you shares. As simple as that. We want to make it extremely easy for you to now generate income off of your current level of crypto coins. So thank you very much. That's how it works.